down here. We're waiting on our bus. We're going to go out to Animal Kingdom today and have a wonderful day. It's pretty warm. Here we go. Y'all almost touched feet. Awesome. And here we go. It's going to be a great day. Mel. Go, Mel. You made it. Did not get stopped. Victorious.
Here we are. Coming to Animal Kingdom for the day. We got several things planned. We got the safari ride. We have Flight of Passage. We've got Kelly River Rapids ready. We are gonna have a wonderful day on this hot Saturday. It's already 78 and it's fixing to get to, I don't know, to 91 today. 91. It's gonna be a hot one, but we're gonna have fun.
Can't wait.
Here we go, mad dash to, oh, I see how it is, Susie. She's gonna meet us over there. Mad dash to the Kilimanjaro Safari Ride. Coming in the park, it's very busy today, but that's all right. We're gonna have fun regardless. Wish I had an umbrella. It's a little toasty today, but I would not be wearing heels. Not today, or ever. I can't walk in heels. They hurt my feet. There's Bambi statue. We're going back and say hello to her, but we're on a mission to our safari ride. Supposed to have been there a minute ago, so we're gonna get booking. We'll come back and see ya, Timon, Pumbaa. We got a keep truck. A lot of cool backdrops for pictures. Come back and get that picture too. Yep, sneak through here. Into Africa, here we come. Disney Vacation Club, come over, say hello. Love it. Trees are blooming, it's beautiful, it smells nice out. Yes! Woohoo! Goofy! Pluto! What's up? Woohoo! Here you go, Susie. Woo! This is the true drum line. Love it. Let's come back and jam. Love it. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. You guys are awesome. I see it in the distance, Kilimanjaro Safari. Lightning lanes to the right. That's us, lightning lane. 55-minute wait, and we got the lightning lane, so we will take it.
No big deal.
Gotta scan your bands. Boom. Scan your bands. We in. Let's go. Safari, here we come.
Please have children and valuables before you reach our stroller bonding area. If you're traveling with someone.
All right, the time has
We
come.
get on in. This is our next ride.
Our next adventure.
For the health and well-being of the animals in the reserve, there is no eating on safari. Beverages are okay, just make sure all food items are hidden away at this time. Bongo, both the boys and the girls grow horns. To the right, you're going to see pink-backed pelicans. Now, the girl pelicans choose their boyfriend based on who brings them the nicest looking stick. That stick will go on to become the foundation of the pelican's nest. So instead of a ring, she gets a house.
Nice.
Now we're about to cross over a really old bridge, and this is the part of the river where I usually see Nile crocodile. You'll find them in just about any body of water in Africa. They've even been known to go swimming in the ocean. Trees do remain leafless for about 9 months out of the year. And during the rainy season, not only do they grow leaves, but they also produce a citrus tasting fruit that the locals will use to make something similar to lemonade. Zebras are members of the equine family. That means they're related to animals like horses and donkeys. Just like no two humans have the same fingerprints, no two zebras have the same stripe pattern. It's actually how you can tell each of them apart. African termites spend most of their lifetime inside those mounds. More the Maasai giraffe coming up on our left is Arabic in origin. Loosely translated to English, giraffe means one who walks with grace. This giraffe's about to cross the road in front of us. She's following the snack truck. She knows who has the snacks. They need a big, powerful heart to pump blood to the top of their head against the force of gravity. For that reason, giraffe hearts can be up to 2 feet long and weigh as much as 25 pounds. Your heart is about the size of your fist, weighs right around a pound. And coming up on our left is a rather large tan antelope called an eland. Eland are Africa's largest antelope. A big male like him is going to stand about 6 feet tall, shoulder, and weigh about 2,000 pounds. His girlfriend's coming up on the right.
Oh, scandalous.
The large gray animals to the right are wildebeest. Wildebeest are part of one of the largest animal migrations left on Earth. When wildebeest migrate across the Serengeti, their herds number in the tens of thousands. See if I can get you another view of the wildebeest over here.
The animals are really out today. I'm loving that. Are you loving that?
Wildebeest over to the
Totally
right.
loving it.
And then we're going to start making our way into elephant country. I do know of a couple of watering holes the elephants like to hang out near. We're going to take a drive by. See if I can get another view on the other side here.
She's so cute.
This is actually big sister to, or little sister to mom, but auntie to the baby that's hanging out with her. I did hear ostrich earlier, so I don't know, it could still be them. Now if you look carefully in the middle of the green grassy hillside to our left, right where it's shady and not sunny, there's at least one cheetah laying there. You can see her flipping her tail. She just rolled over. Fastest land animals, cheetahs can run at speeds of over 60 miles an hour, but only for short distances. Guinness Book of World Record clocked a cheetah at 72 miles an hour. Looks like we got a male lion laying by that bush there on the end of the copie. Let's get you around here and get you a better view of him. There he is. It's pretty much what lions do for about 18 to 20 hours out of the day. They prefer to do much of their hunting at night. It's cooler, easier to sneak up on your food in the dark. We have a nest of eggs coming up on our right. It's pretty common for several girls to share the same nest. You'll see it to the right. Eggs are in the sun. Largest egg made by a bird takes about 18 to 24 chicken eggs to be the same size as one ostrich egg. They also take about twice as long to hatch. Chicken eggs will hatch in 21 to 28 days. It can take more than 45 days for an ostrich egg to hatch. Coming up at the Warden's Camp on our left, you're going to see Nigerian dwarf goats. There's a couple of them up on the roof. These are fully grown. They're not going to get any bigger than this, and they're a dairy goat. For their small body size, they can produce quite a bit of milk. Some farmers in Africa are switching from larger livestock like cattle, which can be expensive to maintain, to smaller livestock like goats. Vistas end our safari. I hope you got to see some of the animals that you really wanted to see. No two safaris are ever the same. I'm going to drop you off at the nearest Warden's post. From there, it's just a short walk back. I'll also be dropping you off near the entrance to the Gorilla Falls Exploration Trail. Hey, everyone. Make sure you look around. Gather up all your personal belongings. Please don't leave anything behind with me. Once again, my name was Krispie. Thank you so much.
Sitar, maybe? Five in the Animal Kingdom. It's perfect. Off to Asia.
You big old monkey.
I like the monkey.
So cute.
I saw him just swinging around. Oh, there's
Yeah,
one down
there's
here.
one down here chilling.
He is pretty chilling.
He's playing coy right now.
Yeah, he was facing us. Like I'm from other people. Actually, I'm just showing myself to the other side.
What's up, buddy?
Hi.
Hi.
Your exercise in?
Yeah.
Makes it look so easy.
Effortless.
All right, we got
Okay.
at the end of our window.
We're at the end of our window.
11:20.
Tragic. It's Cali River Rabbit time. Who's getting wet?
Did you see Vanessa, the birthday girl? It's gonna get wet.
Yes.
He's like,
Mikey D? I don't know.
Oh no, here we go. Let's see who gets it. Out of 3 sidekicks, who's gonna get wet the most? Oh no. Oh no, here we go. Whee! Oh no. They gently let us in, that's good. No problem. Uh-oh. That's round and round. Here we keep spinning. Okay. Susie already got splashed. Ooh, I got splashed. Oh, my shoe is soaked now. My shoe is completely soaked.
Oh!
Yep. Oh no. Oh my. Oh my goodness. Oh, come on. Yeah, yes, Vanessa, 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 Vanessa. Oh no! Awesome. Totally. Whee! Oh, that's easy breezy now. Oh no. Oh no.
I really thought we were gonna get it.
Yeah, they're laughing at us. They're laughing at us. Yeah. Totally got wet. That was fun. That's a wrap. On to our next adventure. Monkeys, tigers, and dragons. Anything over here? Anybody hanging out today? Not really seeing anything. Oh, there it is. It's the Komodo dragon. Komodo dragon right there. Blending in with the law. I'm like, what are we looking at?
I know.
Let's see if we can see any of the monkeys.
The monkey. Where? Oh, I see him.
Where is he? There he is.
At the note from the back.
Yeah, they got our backs to us, but there's 2 over here. No bat sighting today. We're moving on. Must be sleeping today.
Yeah, let's go down, guys. We'll go over.
Let's see what we find over here.
Put a super hat out for him, too.
Although tigers are present in the forest, you will be very safe walking on this well-traveled path. Love the prairie flags. theming is great by Disney. I love it. So cool. Hey. Anything over here? Oh yeah, right there. Keep going. Right there. The water buffalo, what are they? Wildebeest?
Oh.
Water buffaloes. Here we go. Good to know. Water buffaloes. Get another shot of the Asian water buffalo. He's out.
Oh, there you go.
There he goes.
Tiger. There you go.
That breeze feels nice. All right, we got the tigers. Love the theming. That is some very large bamboo. Huge. Huge. We are working our way over to Dino Land to get on Dinosaur. That is our next Genie Plus adventure. Here we go up. Good luck!
Have fun.
Say a prayer for you. Quick Scrooge and Launchpad. You missed them.
Bye, guys. Oh, I tipped his hat.
Dinorama. Or Rama. No, we're going to go on to our Dinosaur. Heading towards Dinosaur. And then after that, we'll be heading over towards Flight of Passage to grab our Lightning Lane there. And then we have lunch at Tusker House. And then after that, I think we're gonna call it a day. Head back and relax. All right, it is roasty toasty out today. Welcome to Florida, folks. Here we go. Boom. All right. Love the light lane. I'll take it. Keep on moving, Melly Mel. Yes. Nice to see you again. Nice to see you again. Keep on moving.
Time travel commencing in T-10 seconds and counting.
This is Seeker. Listen up. We've got to get in, grab the Iguanodon, and get out before that asteroid hits. Let's roll! Okay, now let's go get that dino. Computer, what are you tracking?
Styracosaurus, Oleoramus, Hadrosaur.
Signal now! Hang on! I'm tracking a big dino on the scope. Could be ours. Computer, full stop. Identify.
Carnotaurus.
Definitely not our dino. Go, go, go!
Iguanodon.
Forget it! Get them out now! Brace yourself! To make it! They're not gonna make it!
Mission accomplished.
Everything!
Awesome.
Oh no, he hurt his leg. He's got a bad leg. Bye guys.
Chest pad and your feet are all the way forward, flat on the floor. All right, travelers.
Hi guys.
Are you guys ready to fly today?
Y'all ready to fly?
Yes, we are. Let's do this.
All right.
Are we good?
Sivako, enjoy your flight.
Thank you. So good. So good.
Welcome back. Please step off the link chair, gather your belongings, and exit the link chamber.
We're over here in Africa, and somebody is going to get a henna tattoo. Everyone's getting a henna tattoo. Nice. So exciting.
Very cool.
Yeah, I had to lose my New York accent because when we moved here, the teacher didn't understand. Yeah, straight from Long Island, so.
I bet, yeah, it's a very strong I'm from the Finger Lakes area. Out there close to Syracuse, so different accent than from Long Island.
Oh, yeah.
For sure. Susie.
Yeah.
So when did you get into Florida?
We got here Thursday night.
Nice.
Yeah,
It's very warm.
We were staying over at Animal Kingdom Lodge, now we're over at Riviera.
Make this look so easy. It's amazing.
Now you can let this dry and then it just kind of flakes up on its own, correct?
Yes.
And then how long does it last?
About a week. It goes away with the exfoliation of the skin. So it's just how quickly your skin exfoliates.
Are y'all sure you don't want one? So it actually sits on top of this.
Well, and it dries and it flakes off.
Don't bend it back. Interesting.
Yeah.
So how long?
20 minutes.
20 minutes to be still?
So it'll be orange today, brown
Don't bend
tomorrow.
your wrist.
And if he goes swimming, Vaseline or chapstick.
Give me those bugs. Hi.
They almost look like anteaters.
You're very, very smart. Ow. Hi, buddy.
Oh, cool down.
It's so good to see you.
Oh, here comes the next one. We're out. All right. See you later.
Where's everybody?
We had an amazing day. Amazing.
Great day.
Birthday day for her.
Yes.
Pre-birthday. And
Tusker
now we're
House,
off to the pool.
lunch, yes. We're rolling out of here. Time
Rolling
to
out.
chill.
Bye.